Hi guys, share ko lang yung readings ko sa Revelation chapter 12 about Great War in Heaven. But I will jump muna sa Genesis chapter 1 verse 1 that God created heaven and earth. Then later on, God created man and woman. And then there is a serpent who is Satan na naging cause ng pagkakasala ng tao. But before that, before the creation, there are angels. And there is Michael, the leader of the angels' army. There is Gabriel, the leader of the messenger of God. And then there's Lucifer, the leader of worship in the music and worship in heaven. And siya yung pinakamagandang angels. But eventually kasi si Lucifer, naging prideful siya eh. Naging mayabang siya, naging mapaghangad siya, naghangad siya ng mas higit pa siya kaysa sa Diyos. So, syempre hindi naman pinayagan yun ni God. So, nangyari, pinatapon siya kasama ng mga 1/3 of angels na naniwala sa kanya, na piniling sumama sa kanya. Pinatapon sila dito sa earth. But then, nagkaroon tuloy ng malaking void doon sa worship in heaven. So, wala nang pupwesto doon. So, nangyari is, yung observation ko is hindi naman na gumawa si God ng another set of angels to replace Lucifer and yung 1/3 na sumama sa kanya. Hindi din naman dinesignate ni God kay Gabriel or kay Michael yung worship na yon, yung worship in heaven na yon sa kanila. So, but instead, God created mankind. So here's my observation that the purpose of our being pala is to worship God. And so yung purpose natin kasi na yun is that is under the God's authority and sovereignty, and that is our holy communion with God. And so this is the reason why the enemy doesn't want us to lumapit tayo sa Diyos. Ayaw niya yun. Kasi it will always remind him na tayo yung pinalit ni God sa kanya. And ang mas malupit pa doon, we are better than him. Because we are created according to God's image. And God declared that we are His children. Samantalang siya pinalayas. The enemy is always reminded that our existence, and as we do our purpose, that he is defeated. Matagal na. So, yun lang. Sunod ulit. Bye.